Alright, one. I got 3/4. God dang. How much gas you use? Oh, a quarter tank. How long? I've been saying for 5 minutes. The water's coming. I don't want my ice cube. Time for elimination. It's time for elimination. So let's see which will be eliminated. This will be the partner with what odd egg for challenge. Mountain, Luna, Luan, Lana, baseball, and double stick is eliminated, baby bowl stick.
Whee! Whee!
So let's count how many people we got left in the challenge. Now we need down to the final people left we got. 10 contestants left in the game. So we need the team we split up. Whoa! 6 people will be getting eliminated, but up for don't, and we'll be up for elimination. This challenge, you gotta say this claim 10 times. If you don't, you'll be up for elimination. Bro, I'm not getting up for elimination. We're not safe. When you're not safe. Color of Ruby is safe. Yeah. Are you safe? Oh! Money ain't safe. One more spot left. We're safe. Hooray! Losers, jump. No! Boom! Are you okay? No, we're not. We're very injured. Sorry. No. Ah! Doom. Vote for Lana, Mountain, Baseball, and Luan. Whoever gets the most votes gets to lead the show.